Team tonight, their health and safety are at risk.
Some of those workers are saying that the federal agency is not doing enough to protect their essential workers. Consumer investigator Jason Knowles talked to local employees who believe that their lives are at risk.
According to the U.S. Postal Service, nearly 10% of all postal workers have been diagnosed with COVID-19. Now, some local postal workers are coming forward with their health concerns. They say that CDC safety guidelines are not being followed and that their health is at risk.
At my facility, they are not being proactive in making sure all employees are safe.
This postal worker at the South Suburban Processing and Distribution Center here in Bedford Park says she fears for her health and safety. She and other employees who spoke to the ABC 7i team asked that their faces not be shown because they fear of losing their jobs.
I don't want to contract it and bring it home to one of my loved ones where I could probably fight off the virus and they can't. And I lose a loved one, child, mother, grandmother.
We spoke to 8 of the Bedford Park workers. 5 talked on camera. They say that more than 30 employees in their facility have tested positive for COVID-19 since the outbreak began. The U.S. Post Office would not disclose the number of employees who tested positive here.
I'm afraid to talk to the people I've been talking to for years because they won't wear a mask. They won't wash their hands. They won't wear gloves because they don't have the gloves to wear.
These employees said that the South Suburban Postal Facility lacks personal protective equipment and that employees are told wearing a mask is optional.
We're talking about a facility that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, that has hardly no materials to make sure that we are safe. No sanitizer, no gloves, no mask.
They also told the I-Team the facility has not been professionally cleaned as recommended by the CDC.
Just close it down and have a deep cleaning.
Yeah.
Have your workplace clean so your employees can feel motivated, if nothing else, to come to work.
And they claim there is little to no social distancing.
There's really no way that you can be in a safe distance from another person in the facility at all.
CDC, you said you must wear your mask, you must practice physical distancing. Nobody's doing that.
Similar complaints have been made by postal employees around the country. The U.S. Postal Service wouldn't talk on camera. In a statement, they disputed the local workers' claims, saying we're ensuring our employees have masks, gloves, and that cleaning and sanitizing products are available. They say they reinforce employees staying at least 6 feet apart when entering, exiting, or working at any USPS facility. In their statement, USPS also said they have a dedicated COVID-19 command response leadership team that is focusing on employee, operational, business, and customer continuity during this unprecedented epidemic. The safety and well-being of our employees is our highest priority, adding that it's following recommendations from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The Postal Service said management, the union, and a registered nurse communicate regularly about protocols being followed. Union representatives and employees at the Bedford Park facility continue to dispute this.
I don't feel safe. You have to decide if I'm choosing work or my life.
USPS says that there have been some COVID-19 deaths nationwide, again saying nearly 10% of its workforce has tested positive for COVID-19. That is quite a number considering that there are 630,000 employees nationwide, a reminder of how many people are on the front lines at risk. Jason Knowles, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, Jason, thank you. Let's check weather for you tonight. And after a beautiful day, we had a nice calm